it's Melissa here from Little Kosher Lunch. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Melissa. I'm the mom to 2 young daughters. We are Reform Jews, sending my big girl to a Jewish preschool. And because I didn't grow up kosher, I have struggled and shared my kosher style lunch boxes with you on this channel. I wanted to do this video today to share a little bit more about myself and also to ask you about you, because I think it's helpful when I'm filming and creating content for you, just to let you know like who I am and what we're up to over here, and also to know a little bit more about your needs. I started this channel not quite a year ago. I'm coming on my anniversary soon. And I started the channel to share lunch packing ideas, Jewish recipes that I think are really important and special, memory makers, and also just to be a bridge for people who may not be familiar with kosher, because there is some pressure when attending a Jewish day school. You want to adhere to the dietary restrictions, not combining milk and meat, not packing a shrimp or bacon in your lunchbox. Maybe you're packing only dairy or parv lunches, meaning, fish and eggs are okay. In thinking about this video, I thought back about what kind of Jew am I? My husband is not at all observant. I was raised Reform. We had cheeseburgers at my bat mitzvah, little mini cheeseburgers at a very fancy restaurant. So they were, of course, extremely delicious. But I mean, that's how I was raised. When it came time to send my daughter to her Jewish preschool, something was said just as she was aging in to start going without me and pack lunch about a meat and cheese roll-up that a mom had brought to school. And it really affected me that it was possible to pack something very offensive in a lunchbox, and that put a little bit of pressure on me that I hadn't thought about before. I also was one of those moms that followed all the mommy blogs. There's so many great resources out there, but I was enraged by how many of those recipes and lunches contained milk and meat or a pork product, or had nuts in them, which I also can't send to school. So if you go to a kosher or Jewish school or need dairy lunches, or you're a vegetarian, or you're nut-free, I have so much content for you, and I really wanted to create a little community for people who are doing that, because I looked and looked and looked, and there were no kosher or kosher style lunch packing blogs out there when I set out on this. And maybe a lot of those Jewish schools are providing lunch, I don't know. I would love to hear from you. So if you are a subscriber or have found my channel, please let me know. Who are you? Are you intermarried to someone Jewish? Are you newly starting school? Are you not Jewish but you love my lunches? Please let me know. I would love to hear from you. I love hearing from you. It's so fun. And I love doing these videos, so I'd love to make videos that really are helpful to you. Just as a heads up, I'm planning to do more videos that kind of separate out parv lunches, meaning they would be like either vegan or vegan plus eggs and fish. Then dairy lunches, which I know a lot of you have asked about because you pack for a dairy-only school or vegetarian school. I'm working on more dairy for you, don't worry. And then meat lunches, because we are allowed to pack meat at our school. It needs to be a kosher style lunch, so I'm always leaving the dairy out but packing meat. I hope this has been helpful to you. Shoot me a little note, give this a like or a thumbs up, and I hope to see you back here soon. Bye-bye.